Lamerphylla Damesha Kharsati made the nation proud by securing a bronze medal at the 23rd Milo Open International Karate Tournament in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Competing in the 68 kg senior female kumite category, Kharsati reportedly showcased exceptional skill and determination throughout the event, which was held at the Titiwangsa Indoor Stadium from the 26th to the 30th of June 2024. Her success in this highly competitive environment was attributed to months of rigorous training, unwavering dedication, and relentless perseverance. By clinching the bronze medal, Kharsati not only brought honor to India but also demonstrated the potential for further achievements with continued support and assistance. Lamerphylla Kharsati expressed that competing on an international stage and securing a medal was a significant milestone in her career. She conveyed gratitude for the opportunity to represent India and emphasized her commitment to striving for excellence in future competitions. Her achievement was seen as opening new avenues for potential growth in the sport and underscored the importance of support and encouragement for athletes aiming to excel at the highest levels of competition.